Let's talk about okra. Yes, okra. Okra is used all over the world for various delicacies. So what is the benefit of okra to our health? These and more we are to discuss on my channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Real Spice channel. This channel is all about spices, natural spices. Please stay tuned as we discuss more. Okra. Today we are talking about okra. Okra is a common vegetable used all over the world. In Nigeria, most tribes use okra in various delicacies. For those who don't know what is okra, let me tell you more. Okra is a vegetable which can be used for various delicacies. It can also be used for health benefits and can be used in many numerous ways. Even it can also be used for spears. Africa spears, yes. It is known for its natural nutrients and health benefits. It is rich in nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K. Yes, studies show that okra can regulate blood sugar. Yes, and can also help in the heart. And also is very important in fertility. Beyond this physical use, okra holds some powerful spiritual benefits to, to, to our lives. In some cultures, okra is a sacred plant. Okra can also be used for spear, such as protection spear, cleansing spear, fertility spear, and so on. Okra is a very rich vegetable which is very good for woman consumption. And also, it's a sacred plant and it can be used to prepare many African delicacies such as okra soup, ogbono soup, okra pepper soup, and so many delicacies. It's all